Welcome to our journey through the breathtaking landscapes and natural wonders of Hawaii. This archipelago, adrift in the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, is a testament to the raw power of nature. Our exploration begins where the very foundation of these islands was laid, amidst the fiery heart of volcanoes. Few forces on Earth are as simultaneously destructive and creative as volcanism. The Hawaiian Islands are a testament to this duality, born from eruptions that span millennia. Here on the Big Island, Kilauea and Mauna Loa, two of the world's most active volcanoes, put on a display of raw power. Molten lava flows relentlessly, consuming everything in its path, yet giving birth to new land as it cools and solidifies in the sea. The Hawaii Volcanoes National Park offers a glimpse into this primeval world. Vast lava fields, scarred and blackened, stretch as far as the eye can see, a stark reminder of nature's awesome power. Standing on the rim of Kilauea caldera, gazing into the fiery abyss below, one cannot help but feel a sense of awe and humility in the face of such immense power. From the fiery heights of volcanoes, we journey to the edge of the land, where the emerald embrace of the islands meets the vast expanse of the Pacific. Hawaii's coastline is a symphony of textures and colors, sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and wave. Iconic beaches like Waikiki, with its gentle surf and golden sands, are etched into the world's collective imagination. Yet each island boasts its own unique coastal treasures. On Kauai, the Napali coast stands as a testament to the ocean's raw power. Towering cliffs carved over eons by the relentless assault of waves plunge dramatically into the turquoise depths below. Hanalei Bay, also on Kauai, offers a different kind of beauty. Here, verdant mountains, cloaked in emerald rainforests, cascade down to meet a crescent of pristine white sand. Beneath the waves, a kaleidoscope of coral reefs provides shelter to a dazzling array of marine creatures. And for those lucky enough to visit during the winter months, the chance to witness humpback whales breaching offshore is an experience that will stay with them forever. We venture now into the heart of the islands, where the air hangs heavy with moisture and the symphony of life reaches a crescendo. Here on the windward slopes of the mountains lie the rainforests of Hawaii, emerald realms shrouded in mist and nourished by life-giving rain. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor where ferns unfurl their delicate fronds and orchids cling to moss-covered branches. Water is the lifeblood of these forests, cascading down mountainsides in a series of spectacular waterfalls. Akaka Falls on the Big Island plunges over 400 feet into a verdant gorge, its roar a constant reminder of nature's power. On Maui, the road to Hana winds its way past countless waterfalls, each more beautiful than the last. These forests are alive with the sound of birdsong. The haunting call of the apapani, a small crimson honey creeper, echoes through the trees, while the melodic trill of the amakihi, another endemic bird, adds to the symphony of the forest. We ascend now to the rarefied heights of Hawaii's majestic mountains, where jagged peaks pierce the clouds and the air is thin and crisp. On Oahu, the Ka'olau Mountains rise abruptly from the island's windward side, their verdant slopes cloaked in rainforest. The West Maui Mountains, a chain of volcanic peaks that dominate the western half of Maui, are home to the iconic Yao Valley State Monument. Here, the Yao Needle, a solitary volcanic monolith, rises dramatically from the valley floor, shrouded in mist and legend. But perhaps the most awe-inspiring of all Hawaii's mountains is Mauna Kea, a dormant volcano on the Big Island. Though its summit stands a mere 13,803 feet above sea level, Mauna Kea holds the distinction of being the tallest mountain on Earth when measured from its base on the ocean floor. Standing atop Mauna Kea, surrounded by a sea of clouds, one feels a profound sense of isolation and wonder. The Hawaiian Islands are a testament to the power of isolation to shape the course of evolution. Cut off from the rest of the world by thousands of miles of ocean, life here has taken a unique evolutionary trajectory, resulting in a remarkable diversity of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Perhaps the most iconic example of Hawaii's unique biodiversity is the Hawaiian honey creeper. These colorful birds, with their specialized beaks for feeding on nectar, are found in a dazzling array of shapes and sizes, each adapted to a particular ecological niche. The aiwi, with its brilliant scarlet plumage and long curved beak, feeds on the nectar of the ohia lehua, a native tree with fiery red blossoms. The apapane, a smaller honey creeper with crimson feathers, prefers the nectar of the maman tree, found at higher elevations. The Nain, or Hawaiian goose, is a testament to the ability of life to adapt to even the harshest environments. The silver sword, a striking plant with silvery leaves that shimmer in the sunlight, is found only on the slopes of volcanoes on Maui and Hawaii. However, Hawaii's unique biodiversity is under threat from invasive species. We descend now into the warm turquoise waters that surround the Hawaiian Islands, a realm teeming with life as vibrant and diverse as the islands themselves. Here, beneath the surface, lies a hidden world of coral reefs, a kaleidoscope of color and a haven for marine creatures of all shapes and sizes. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Built by tiny animals called coral polyps, these underwater cities provide food and shelter for a staggering array of marine life. Fish, in a dazzling array of colors and patterns, dart in and out of the coral, while sea turtles glide gracefully through the water. Hawaii is a haven for green sea turtles, a threatened species that relies on the island's beaches for nesting. The Hawaiian Islands Humpback Whale National Marine Sanctuary, established in 1992, protects these magnificent creatures and their breeding grounds. One of the most remarkable things about the Hawaiian Islands is the sheer diversity of ecosystems found within such a relatively small area. From the arid volcanic landscapes of the Big Island to the lush rainforests of Kauai, Hawaii is a microcosm of ecological diversity. On the Big Island, the Kohala coast is a stark contrast to the lush windward side. Here, lava fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the island's volcanic origins. Yet, even in this seemingly barren landscape, life finds a way. The lava, with its jagged, spiky surface, is slowly colonized by lichens and mosses, the pioneers of life in this harsh environment. In contrast, the summit of Haleakala, a dormant volcano on Maui, is home to a unique alpine ecosystem. The silver sword, with its silvery leaves that reflect sunlight and help to conserve water, is a testament to the resilience of life in this extreme environment. As we've journeyed across these islands, from fiery volcanoes to vibrant coral reefs, one thing has become abundantly clear. The natural wonders of Hawaii are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also incredibly fragile. Fortunately, much of Hawaii's natural heritage is protected within a network of national and state parks. These protected areas offer a glimpse into the island's past before human arrival and provide a sanctuary for the many plants and animals that call Hawaii home. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, established in 1916, is a testament to the raw power and beauty of volcanism. Haleakala National Park on Maui offers a different kind of volcanic experience. The park encompasses the summit of Haleakala, a dormant volcano with a massive crater that stretches for miles. Napali Coast State Wilderness Park on Kauai protects one of the most dramatic coastlines in the world. Towering cliffs, carved by eons of erosion, plunge into the Pacific Ocean, creating a landscape of breathtaking beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the natural wonders of Hawaii. From the fiery heart of volcanoes to the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring beauty and delicate balance of these islands. Remember to respect and protect these natural treasures for future generations. Embrace the Hawaiian value of malama aina, which means to care for the land.